On receiving the information, the teams took prompt action and reached the spot on time. The team commander is now collecting the information from the headman and makes detailed inspection on the spot. On reaching the site of the incident, as you can see from here, they swiftly cordon off the area for the safety of the bystanders, the victims and the rescuers. They are now starting to provide psychosocial supports and first aid to ease the gravity of pain of the injured victim. Having finished bandaging the casualties, they are now transporting them to the medical post. As you can see, they are transporting the casualties to the medical post using various emergency methods. It was also informed that there are 2 victims who are still trapped inside the building, that is on the first floor and on the top floor. Without wasting time, they now swiftly climb up the first floor . And after searching, they are able to locate the victim. After stretcher lashing has been done, they begin to bring down the victim from the first floor by sliding ladder method, keeping in mind the safety of the victim. A guide rope was tied on both sides and another rescuer is kept to balance the stretcher coming down. Now, one personnel is the top story. Some safety precautions, they were able to bring down the victim by four personnel underneath were kept for the safety of the victim in case of any eventuality. They are now transporting the casualty to the medical post for medical needs. Transporting the casualties to the medical post for medical needs. And with that, we come to the end of the demonstration from the State Disaster Response Force. Thank you.